Whatever problem you have can be solved through a phone call. Phone consult is the shortest form of consultation. If you think that your issue can be solved in one or few discussions with the expert, then you should opt for this service at KalpaSrusti. It is suitable if you want to know a context or scenario, or you have a highly specific technical problem. In many cases, it can be pursued even if you don't have identified the goals to achieve. Several insights may be obtained through a simple phone consult. We at KalpaSrusti are committed to solve your all curiosities or issues. Please visit www.kalpasrusti.com.